Currently, it's become critically important to get your staff trained and certified as specialist disinfectant applicators. The novel corona or COVID-19 has touched nearly every corner of the globe, and we have seen its devastating health and financial effects. Since the World Health Organization declared the virus a pandemic, we have seen multiple countries worldwide implement national lockdowns and social distancing measures to limit and manage the spread. Homes, public areas, offices, malls, and just about every space humans use must all be disinfected prior to opening to the public and regularly thereafter to reduce the risk of further contamination. Proper training of cleaning staff has never been more important than now. Certain businesses may hire professional services and others will handle cleaning and disinfection themselves. Either way, this training is for everybody. The CERSDAT course, Certified Specialist Disinfection Applicator Training, is based on the guidelines provided by the World Health Organization, the CDC, OSHA, the EPA, and the IICRC. The 4 modules cover the following and take about 2 hours to complete. Module 1. Protecting yourself and others. Module 2. Cleaning the workspace. Module 3. Recommended products, spraying equipment, and spraying methods. And Module 4. Key cleaning processes to prevent and reduce risks. Upon successful completion, the attendee will receive a certificate of completion and competency to be printed and displayed for employees and clients to view. For more information, go to UpSKill Email us sales@upskillacademy.co or contact the agent that introduced you to us.